Again, it's Priscilla Batzel in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, tempting fate with a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas that I primed earlier. But instead of using pillow paint, I'm still going to, like I said, tempt fate. I'm going to use my Mead White. I'm going to put a big puddle down the center, spread some of it out. I might hit it with the torch really quick because I can see there's a lot of bubbles in there. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I keep using pillow paint and swiping, and I really like what I see initially before I spin. And this might be a moot point since I might spin anyway. This is my OXO Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Spatula, best paint spreading tool I know of. Should help me get the desired effect. That puddle of paint will definitely spin out and move, I think. Okay, there's no definitely in any of this equation. It's totally similar to something I did yesterday, maybe even, on a 10 by 20 inch canvas. But I'm willing to take my chances. I think I'm going to spread that end to end. I think what I'm really going to do is grab my scrape dish and put some paint in it. Oh, that's cool. Bring that right over here. Take some paint away. All right, hopefully that'll save for tomorrow. Cross my fingers. Sorry about the paper sounds. I think I made a mistake lining my spin box with paper. All right, the spatula with the white paint on is going in the bucket. I'm going to put some colors I have. I have Pink Diamond mixed with the equivalent of Vivid Enamel, and I can't get too much pink, so I'm not unhappy about that. I am going to use Interefernce Red, which is a primary element. Is that a thing or a bubble? It's more like a thing. I'm going to join this by Primary Element Carnival. Some Interefernce Gold. A little ginger flower, primary element also. Love this color. I have a cell activator in this color. It's somewhere between the other two pinks I've already used. I have Boysenberry ginger flower combination. I am going to be tipping this before I even think about spinning. New frosted sorbets, blue grotto. Awesome color. I'm going to be sorry when I run out. I'm going to have to get some more. Which reminds me, there is a 20% off coupon code. I am an affiliate, and you'll find it right below the video along with the link to get to the Colour Arte website. This is Pebeo, Iridescent Blue Green. Makes me want some more purple. I'm going to use some Icy Iris, another frosted sorbet. I'm going to indulge in a little bit of Indian Spice, which is the bonus color that comes with the frosted sorbet set. I was going to use some Tiger Lily, but I'm not sure. Maybe I'll give it a try in a few places. I think that's going to make some green, which might be okay, you know, actually. Oh, you know what I forgot? My favorite is Plum Blossom. That's from the Frosted Sorbets too. And in spite of my better judgment, I'm going for the orange. I'm going to try and find some places that aren't with the purple, which is something I should have thought about beforehand. Okay, am I done, or am I going to put some of this sour lemon orange crush combination in, which will undoubtedly bring some green to the table. I'm wanting to go back again and add some more of the boysenberry ginger flower combination. What I really want to do is grab some like Royal Sapphire. What I've got is Water Dragon. Oh, there's the Royal Sapphire. Yeah, that's it. That's what I wanted. Hopefully we can get away with this, and I'm going to grab and throw a few things back in the boxes they came out of, so I have less chance of spattering everything in sight. Get the rest out of the way. There we go. And grab my palette knife and start with blue black from Atelier. Put some rich gold on there. I'm not sure, I'm not going to have to do this twice, and add some Amsterdam white. Everything is mixed with Aussie Floetrol. I have Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green, and I think I'm going to use it. Actually, that's ginger flower, my mistake. I'm going to do it again with the blue green, blue black, excuse me, and the ginger flower. I'm going to do it without the white this time. No, I'm not. I see the cells are beautiful, so let's do it with the white. Use up the rest of my colors, and this time I'm just going to tip. Well, maybe I'm going to blow into this first. And if it doesn't sell up, which it usually takes a moment to sell up, it's coming. Although I do have help at hand, and I can definitely grab one of my acetate tools, a little white, a little blue black, a little rich gold Atelier. We have tremendous cells. They're getting there. Oh, I see I've got a nice little spot I can indulge my penchant for spiraling. Couple few. And I might be sorry, although I've got GAC 800 in the white paint, so I could skip the spin or the tip if I wanted to. I'm going to try and blow into that section again. Maybe I'll add a little bit of black in there. Okay, here goes nothing. I'm nervous. I like what I have. It's not the first time that's happened though. Completely crazy for thinking I should spin that out. I don't know. I'm going to give it one. Make sure it'll spin all the way without touching anything. Now we have spin off. Cross your fingers, please, please, please. Not sure. Not sure at all. Now the chances are good that the cells may break up. And we seem to only have cells on one side, which is really completely odd. I want a piece of swipe card. And I've temporarily moved them. Not sure I can get away with this anyway. But for me it's worth trying right now. I do have something I can pour onto if I'm willing to tip everything down. And I'm thinking I am willing to tip everything down. This could be a complete farce. I'm kind of unwilling to think of it that way. I'm going to grab the black. And the gold. and the ginger flower. See if I can do something to make me feel like I can save this. Not sure I can, but I am not giving up. So, in a few minutes, or less, you'll be gone, and I'll still be here messing with this. Which I'm actually kind of having fun doing. And the next thing I do will probably be with actual pillow paint. So it's a very funky garden, if that's what it is. And I was thinking of something similar earlier today, so I must have channeled it. So if you check my link tree below the video, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, my Amazon link, my webpage, Society 6, the Gallerist. I'm just going to keep putting lines in. And then I'm going to have to knock the bubbles out. And I'm actually not hating this, strangely enough. And I didn't make mud, at least. I have some kind of weird cells. But that's my fault for choosing to do the, or choosing not to use the conventional pillow paint. I could use a skewer. I'm not sure those marks will fill in. But it might be a good idea to find out. I have been in a position like this in the past where I had to stripe things out. And I am going to take a moment to tip this down. And then I'm going to swivel it around and show it to you. Assuming you're still here. Break up that hard edge.